Alright, what's up guys, welcome back to the new another video the Traderdk. So in this video मैं आज आपको बताने वाला हूँ कि तो मैंने कल पोस्ट की थी टेलीग्राम के अंदर वो ट्रेड, तो उसको मैं आपको एक्सप्लेन करने वाला हूँ। और ये वीडियो ट्रेड ब्रेकडाउन होने वाला है जिसमें हमने 1:13 अचीव किया है। और बिकॉज मार्केट क्लोज हो गया है तो हमारा जो टारगेट था तो 1:16 था। ओके, so first of all, we are mark our structure. So you can see here, this is our inducement point. Here is our inducement and market giving new breakout structure. After breakout structure, so this is our change of character. Okay, so we mark this as a change of character. After change of character, uh, what we can do? First of all, we mark our POI liquidity. Okay, so and inducement. So our inducement is here. This is the recent swing before the drop. Okay, or okay, so this is also break low. So this is also inducement, but high probability inducement is in the structure. Okay, so this is our inducement, and after the inducement, here is our POI. So this is our POI. You can see here this candle is break previous candle high and close below it. So this is our IFC candle. Okay, so we mark this whole candle as a POI. Okay, and another, so this is our lower high here. This is our lower high. Okay, and here market create a trend line liquidity. You can see, so this is a trend line liquidity over here. So this PI is not high probability, but we can still trade this PI, and I will show you how to trade this PI. Okay, and how to trade after taking out this liquidity. So how I analysis step by step. So first of all, I check on 1 day time frame. So if we mark 1 day structure, so what we can see, this is our low and this is our high. So first of all, we mark our inducement. Okay, and order block after the inducement. So this is minor imbalance over here. So this is our order block. Okay, and this is our decisional order block. It's work 50-50. And below this another order block is here, and this is a trap. This is not a valid order block because extreme order block, and the order block after inducement is high probability. Okay, so in extreme you can see here is our extreme order block, and below this everything is mitigated. Okay, so basically according to 1 day time frame, our pro trend is up, uptrend, but the market go upside after tap this extreme PI. We can see another up move. So until this tap on the new PI, so until the market tap on the extreme PI, we can see short trade. And this is our liquidity. Market taken on this liquidity, and after trend line liquidity, market push downside. Okay, and 15-minute structure also give here change of character. So after mark these all the things, we are shifted to the 1 minute lower time frame. And lower time frame, if you can see, market create imbalance over here. So before going the below, market feel this imbalance, and after feel this imbalance, market go downside. Okay, so this is our imbalance, and we mark our 1 day time frame order block. So this is the up move before the sell. Okay, so we mark this as a supply zone. Okay, and after marking this area, we shifted to the 1 hour time frame for the refinement of our zones. So on the 1 hour time frame, you can see the imbalance over here. So if we refine it, so if we can refine it, so this is our imbalance. Okay, and now shifted to the 15 minute. And if I remove this zone, you can see there is a or there is a or PY. This is the extreme PI, but you can see the liquidity also available over here, trend line liquidity. Okay, so we have to trade carefully. We should trade carefully on this zone. Okay, so let's plan this zone. That how we can trade this. Okay, so first of all, we wait for the tab, fill the imbalance, and tab over this supply zone or PI. Okay, so after tab on the PI, we shifted to 1 minute time frame. Okay, and we wait for the change of character, and after change of character, okay, so you can see market create this swing, recent swing, and we mark this as a change of character. And after change of character, we also mark our, so I remove the this imbalance over here and we mark the imbalance. So you can see this holds on imbalance over here. So market have to take liquidity upside, market should fill this imbalance and then market go upside, so we can take a trade until this imbalance over here. Okay, so market uh, give change of character, and after change of character, market this create order block over here. Okay, and let me remove this. Okay, and now we wait for the creating more structure, so we can mark the inducement and then we can enter on this trade. So you can see this is a recent inducement. Okay, this is a original. So market not take any inducement till now. Okay, so after you can see market break again this low, so our inducement shifted to here. Okay, and okay, so you can see market there is a sweep entry. So this is our one of the entry model. When market shift the inducement, we directly enter on the next candle open. Okay, so, our safest stop loss above this high. Okay, and the another candle and the another entry we can uh, take on this. If market mitigate this candle, doji candle, this is the and another entry type called single candle mitigation entry. Okay, and our safest stop loss over this high. Stop loss will same and target will also same. Okay, so you can see our both trade are now TP hit. So this is our 1:3 trade, and the another trade is 1:4. You can see. So we remove this all the things, and we wait for the now taken out the another inducement or another, sorry. So we can wait now. Take down this trend line liquidity, and then we again enter. Okay. Okay. So you can see market create equal low, sorry, equal high over here, and this is the another type entry. sorry, this is another type of liquidity, equal high liquidity, and this is trend line liquidity. So the trend line liquidity and the equal high liquidity is at the same point. So what we can do after taking out this liquidity, we can again short the market for until this low. Okay, and you can see market also create our equal low over here. This is the another liquidity over here, double bottom or equal low. Okay, so we can target this area after taking out the inducement. And the another type of inducement over here, this is support resistance. This is the resistance, and after break this resistance zone, market market act this zone as a support. So this is also our support liquidity below this support. Okay, so let's wait for the taken down the inducement, and then we can enter again on this trade. So okay, on the 15-minute time frame, you can see market just closed. Market just shift the liquidity and close below it. So here is our another entry. We can scale here. So this is our recent low, and we mark this as change of character. And after change of character, you can see this is our inducement, and after the inducement, where is our order block? So this is our buying move before the sell. So we mark this as a order block, and we open a position over here. Okay, and keep a stop loss above this zone, and you can also give some buffer. Okay, so this is upon you. Okay, so let me remove this. So market taken down the inducement, and now wait for the tap on our order block. Okay, so market tap or order block. Okay, so our target of this trade is on the 15-minute low. So this is our 15-minute low, and we shifted to the higher time frame. Okay, okay, so you can see market take this liquidity, and now our trade is on the break even because market taken out this liquidity, and now market go more upside to take on this trend line liquidity, and then moves downside. So we can break even our trade. Okay, and let's see. Okay, so market close over here because this is a Friday, and on the Friday market will close. So this is the trade breakdown of eurgbp. If you like this video, please press like button and hit the subscribe button for more content like this, and I see you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.